Hebei Top Fur Company Limited grew out of Weixian Top Fur Products Factory, which was founded in 2012. We are located in Chinese famous fur capital, Weixian County, Hebei Province. Top Fur purchased raw material in bulk quantity from Australia and New Zealand to reduce the cost and guarantee the material quality. The tanning factory processed the raw skin, from cleaning to defatting, drumming, shaving, dyeing, drying, ironing, and shearing. The raw material changed to semi-finished fur, and the chemical element can be satisfied for Europe test. The Fur Products Factory makes shoe fur, garment fur, make fur car seat cushion, fur rug, fur carpet, fur cloth, fur hat, fur gloves, fur saddle pad, and all kinds of fur products. As a responsible company, we take environment as our own life. Through the wastewater processing factory, clean wastewater and guarantee the wastewater and waste material to be friendly for the environment. It must be passed with the government requirements. Our professional quality fur and fur products are green and healthy. We are exporting more than 60 countries all over the world, such as Japan, Germany, USA, Russia, France, Australia, UK, the United Arab Emirates, Thailand, and so on. Hebei Top Fur Company Limited surely is your best professional partner in this line, waiting for friendly cooperation with you.